Hey guys, how you doing? Today is your girl, Miss Debs. I took a break for a couple of days, going through a couple of issues, but God is working it out for me. I have total faith and confidence in Him, and I know He's going to see me through it. Just ask you guys to give a prayer for me, please. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm here today to do a Southern meal, not fattening. Okay, guys, as I was saying, I'm here to do a healthy Southern meal. Yes, Southern meals can be healthy. So I have some cabbage, one medium to large cabbage that I washed and I cut up. Then I have over here some smoked turkey wings and some kielbasa sausages. And I have some garlic, tricolor peppers, and some green peppers. Okay, guys, let's get this started. I have my water over there boiling. We're going to take the meat to the pot. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the water is rapidly boiling. I'm putting in my smoked turkey pieces. I'm not going to put in the kielbasa yet because that cooks fast. So we're going to put in the smoked turkey pieces first. And they're not going to cook too long because they already smoked, means they're halfway cooked, right? So let me see how many more pieces I got here. And this is a nice Southern meal. My mom used to make this cabbage and turkey and then kielbasa. So you're going to see me do it. It's going to have some garlic in it, some tricolor peppers, as I said, green onions. Going to put a little vegetable stock in it and some vegetable bouillon. A little crushed red pepper. Okay, guys, you'll see me once I put the other meat in. So we have the meat boiling. Now I'm going to add the kielbasa. All right, guys, I'll bring you back in a few. Now, guys, I started adding in my chopped cabbage, and I just put them like in quarters, like if you would cut it up in a quarter fashion. So I have the turkey wings on the bottom. The kielbasa is out. I'm going to let this cook down, add a little crushed red pepper and all my seasonings and my veggies and some vegetable stock. All right. So now, guys, I'm adding my vegetable broth. Now I'm going to add my veggies. Now what I like to do is just saute the veggies in a pan and just add the sausage. So I'm going to do that, okay? The sausage, I'm sorry, hold on. Okay, guys, so I'm adding my sausage. The grease is already smoking. Now I'm going to add my veggies. Now, I'm not going to add the garlic yet because we don't want that to cook too fast. So, we're going to let these veggies marry together and I'll be back. So, doesn't that look pretty, guys? Now, I just added some coarse black pepper. Now, I'm adding some crushed red pepper flakes. I just added a teaspoon of sugar and I added some vegetable stock, broth. So, we're going to let that cook. I'm going to add a little thyme leaves in here to give it that earthy taste. Just regular thyme leaves. All right, guys. And I'm going to put some garlic, some lemon pepper in here. Lemon pepper, coarse black pepper, crushed red peppers, and thyme leaves. And now I'm adding, like I just said, the lemon pepper. We have our peppers down here and the green onions cooking to get a little coating on the sausage. Now I'm adding my lemon pepper. I'm going to add a squirt of Bragg's. You know that's amino acid. For the ones that you don't know, it's amino acid. It's kind of like a soy sauce consistency. So I'm going to add like a teaspoon of that. I'm going to cover this bad boy up. Then after these sausages get done, I'm going to add the garlic. And then when this get done, I'm going to add it together. So let me just put in the Bragg's. I'll be right back. So guys, this is the Bragg's liquid amino. It's a soy protein seasoning. You can use it on veggies, meats, whatever. Not going to put a lot. Okay, that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to cover this bad boy up. Let it go. I'm going to flip these over and I'll show you the final result.